Hey, assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome back to PEPE Update today. And previously I have been talking about PEPE, and do you remember the last videos that I was talking about, and I said that PEPE has a negative pattern, and I have to be very honest with you, and you guys were liking the videos when I told you to like the videos. So can you even like this one? It's been 2 days I haven't made the update. I kind of have missed you guys a little bit and talking to you, of course. Now the thing is, you have head, left shoulder, head, right shoulder, breakdown, move up, and you still have a threat to actually drop down to a technical target of nearly 6,900. All right, so maybe perhaps that can be the last drop and stay down for a while in September as well, and then in October you start to push to the upside. There's one thing I want to mention. And on Discord 2 days ago, I gave an idea of ICP. So I gave this little bit of a head and shoulder, and this was a 12% trade. And today ICP is actually did this, and now it's actually falling down to its main technical target. Okay, so if head and shoulders like this are playing out, then you have to be very careful regarding the daily time frame. Now that was 4-hour time frame, and this is like the daily time frame. Now the point of showing you that that picture is because that is money. Okay, that pattern is not pattern, it's actually money. And people do this and they charge for this, but I'm actually doing favor for my own members who are on Discord. So if you want to be on Discord, do make sure you comment Discord in this video, and I'll give you an invite link for you to join, and you can just get this chart pattern if you're a trader. Okay, the idea is this, that when you're a trader, you sometimes have to look at the market. You have to look at so many different coins, which one to trade, where can I find a setup, is there ascending triangle, descending triangle, head and shoulders pattern or not, and it's time consuming. So I do this for totally free, where if I see something good, I just might share it with you, and you can have all the fun by further investigating. I just give you the idea and save your time. So again, it's something that is cheap, but others are going to charge you for that as well. Now the thing is that I think PEPE has to come down here unless it does not come up to break 13,932. And to be very honest with you, don't be surprised. I really told you right on time 2 days ago, this is a head and shoulder, and this is even a retest that has been failing to go back up. And that's all for the video. I'm going to see you the next one. Love, peace.